Introduce itself.
Hello, good morning all of you. My name is Asnan Mohammed. My father's name is Mr. Qutbuddin Ansari. My mother's name is Mrs. Rehana Khan. This video promoted by Satish Kumar Gupta. Sir,
आपने कितना जीके याद किया है
total 71 GKs,
और मीनिंग
200 meanings.
आपने 4 डेज में इतना कंप्लीट कर लिया। चलिए मैं पूछता हूँ, हु वाज द फर्स्ट वुमेन प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया?
Indira Gandhi,
विच इज द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया?
Rajasthan,
विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया?
Goa,
हु इज द फर्स्ट सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया?
President,
हु इज द सेकंड सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया?
Vice President,
हु इज द थर्ड सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया?
Prime Minister,
When the Indian people celebrate Independence Day?
15 August,
When we celebrate our Indian Republic Day?
26 January,
What is the total number of characters of Hindi alphabet?
52,
Sorry. What is the composers of Indian national song?
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee,
How many spokes in national flags of India?
24 spokes,
What is the national song of India?
Vande Mataram,
How many months in every single year?
12 months,
How many Indian states have the Indian language?
10,
Which language is used most in Maharashtra?
Marathi,
Which of the following is a Hindi script?
Devangiri,
Devanagari. क्या होगा?
Devanagari,
What is the name of longest river on the earth?
the Nile,
What is the name of the fastest animal on the land?
cheetah,
What is the main source of energy for the earth?
sun,
Which continent has not a single volcano?
Australia,
What is the smallest ocean in the world?
Arctic Ocean,
Who is the highest mountain in India?
Kanchenjunga,
Which is the largest lake in India?
Vular Lake,
Bular Lake. Okay. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi?
Shah Jahan,
USH. What is the currency of it?
dollar,
When we celebrate the Indian Navy Day?
4 December,
When we celebrate the Indian Post Day?
9th October,
Who composed the Indian National Anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore,
Who was the first female IPS officer in India?
Kiran Bedi,
Where is the Bular Lake situated in India?
Jammu and Kashmir,
Who is the first Indian field marshal?
Jamshedji Manekshaw,
Jamshedji.
Manekshaw,
What is the height of 3 wooden stamp in cricket?
28 inches,
Which type of inch is used in the camera?
convex lens,
What is the Canada's national sports?
ice hockey,
Jaspal Rana is related to which game?
shooting,
Which is India's highest sports award?
Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award,
Full form of land.
Local Area Network,
Hindi Day is celebrated.
14 September,
Bihu is one of the most popular dance and which Indian state?
Assam,
Yahoo, Google and MSN is
internet sites,
accuracy in computer data is called.
bug,
IBM is the complete form of.
international business machine.
CAD means.
Repeat question.
CAD means
Computer aided decision.
computer aided design. What is the longest river in India?
Ganga River,
What is the use of CD characters in a computer?
compact disk,
Okay. One keyboard is equivalent to
1024 bytes,
1 kilobytes is equal
1024
Okay. What is the length of a word in a computer?
Bit.
Who was the first woman Lok Sabha of India?
Meera Kumar.
Where is the Pushkar Lake situated in India?
Rajasthan.
How long does the earth rotate in circle?
365.25 days.
What is the full form of VDT?
Binary digits task.
What is the full form of Rome?
Read only memory.
What is the magnitude of the earthquake measuring machine?
Seismogram.
Where and when did the first underground train in India start?
21 October 1984 in Calcutta.
National Youth Day is celebrated on.
12 January.
On what date is the National Army Day celebrated?
15 January.
On which date is National Sport Day?
29 August.
The first Indian player to take a hat-trick in Test cricket.
Harbhajan Singh.
In which year did India win the World Cup for the first time in cricket?
In 1983.
Which cricketer is known as Rawalpindi Express?
Shoaib Akhtar.
Which player makes the first double century in ODI cricket?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Who is the first Indian batsman to score in triple century in Test cricket?
Virendra Sehwag.
Which country is known as the British of the cricket game?
England.
Remedy is used for the prevention of defects.
Convex lens.
What energy is found in the dry cells?
Chemical.
The national animal of India.
Tiger.
The national birds of India is.
Peacock.
The national fruit of India is.
Mango.
The national tree of India is.
Banyan.
The national flower of India is.
Lotus.
Jan Gan Man was originally composed in.
Bengali.
आपने 71 जी के कंटिन्यू बताया है और आपसे मैं इसी तरीके से डिस्कस करूंगा मीनिंग